Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about directory busting. Before begin we have to understand what is mean by directory busting. In each web pages there are multiple hidden directories, which leads to directories where images, files, documents all are saved. It will also include hidden pages like admin page. Our practical is about finding hidden pages and locations in this website. See the URL of this website. After the website name there is a slash coming up. After the slash only each directories or file names are coming. We can confirm it by tilting on some of the options. The tool we are going to use is Dirb. The Dirb is a directory busting tool. You find the hidden directories, type Dirb and just copy the URL into the terminal. Dirb have a word list in the database. They're trying to find unknown web pages or directories by using this word list. You can see it is in progress. Whenever the tool find a hidden directory, they will point out with an arrow mark. After few minutes, many hidden directories and pages are found. Let us try to visit each of them. If we copy this URL into the browser, we can access multiple hidden locations in the web page. After Dirb, we will learn about another tool named Gobuster, which is a graphical tool. Only thing we have to do is we have to point out where is location of the word list in our Kali machine. Then we can paste the URL in the corresponding field. Also type with the file we are going to find out. That includes a PDF, PHP, HTML. Gobuster trying to find hidden directories and pages, but this tool is very slow than Dirb. It will find the same pages which is found by Dirb. We are stopping this tool and will introduce another fast tool. That is Gobuster. If you don't have Gobuster in your machine, just install it by this method. Before we start, let's analyze the syntax of Gobuster. We should mention dir to perform directory busting, and to highlight the URL -u should be used. -w is for where list. We should mention the path of the word list we are going to use. And we can see here directory busting have started. See, Gobuster is very fast and find various directories immediately. Now I will show another tool, that is wfuzz. For the same syntax I am using wfuzz, which is already installed in Linux machine. It has almost same syntax of Gobuster, but at the end of the URL we should add wfuzz. Tool will load directory name from the word list. This name will replace with the wfuzz keyword in the URL. While performing directory busting, wfuzz keyboard will replace the directory name in the word list. But here we are getting a lot of 404 error also. But if we are using one extra filter, we can avoid this kind of error response and only focus on 200 response. Here I am keeping only 200 of response, other responses I am avoiding it. See, now they are filtering their response only with 200. Okay, that means we will get only successful response.